Hello everybody and welcome to a Python tutorial on how to install Python on a Mac. Now, first things first, most Macs come with Python installed already. The way to find this out is by going to your terminal and typing python -- version, and this should show you a Python version 2. However, if you're just starting out on Python, you will probably want to start learning Python 3, so I'm going to show you how to install this in this video. To download Python 3, we need to head over to python.org/downloads. The link will be in the description. On this page you will notice the yellow download Python button. Click this to start the download. Once that's finished downloading, it will start the installation process, and from here on out it's like every installation process, so if you've downloaded packages before, this should be a familiar process. So if we go back to our terminal now and type the same command as earlier, python -- version, it will actually output the same as we have earlier. This is because the equivalent command in Python 3 is python 3 -- version. If you get the same output as you can see on screen now, you've successfully installed Python 3. However, you can make using Python easier for yourself by creating an alias command. To do this, we're going to head into our bash profile. I'm using the text editor V. In this case, I'm typing V followed by the location of my bash profile. I scroll down in my bash profile using arrow keys and press I to insert. I then type alias space python equals python 3, no spaces, exactly as it is on screen. Then press escape to escape the inserting, and then press :WQ to save your bash profile and press enter. We now need to update our terminal. To do this, we need to source our bash profile, which will update our terminal with the new content that's in our bash profile. To do this, type source and then the location of your bash profile. So now in our terminal, if we type python -- version, we'll see that that command represents Python 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video what you thought.